play with Play-Doh. One, two, three, four, five. Here you go. Six.
Seven.
Eight. Nine. 10. That's it now. I start flying. Jump, pump, pump, pump. Hurry. Push it. Now it's done. It's done. Wow. It's done. Oh, thank you. And then she's putting on some eyes. What? Did she have one eye or two? That's good. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder, little eye. Red. Here we go. Thank you for the row. Row. Yeah. Hurry up. Okay, all done. Now, put. Dig it. Done. Teddy bear. Let me do it. Teddy bear. Let's put on some eyes. Okay. Got it. I am Mr. Teddy Bear, short and stout. Here is my face, and here is my eyes. I have a googly eye, so much fun. White. And mush it. Dun, 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 dun. I'm making a white car, so much fun. This is a marshmallow pizza. Press. Think it right, you say that. Take it out from the oven. Car. The car looks so cool. Let's sing a song about a car. This is hard. Done. Now I'm gonna take out the horses and the bear. Old Town Road. If you wanna see me singing a song about Old Town Road, stay tuned for that. Cause one time I am gonna make a song about the horses and the bear. And it's gonna be so fun. Cause I love that song. Mother hair. What? Mama what? Mama hair. I do not understand. Horse hair. Road horse. Okay, go. And to get me my blue. Rolling. Let's sing a song about rolling. Roll. Ranking down the blue. I don't know any song about a rhyme. I don't know any rhymes. Okay, it's done for that. Oh, mama. Home. Stay home. Roll. You sing tree. Put it on in. It's blue. Okay. A tree. Nice tree. Elephant on the snail, elephant on the Oh, hi everybody! Today we're gonna play a game. This game is called Guess the Animal. This is the first animal. Can you get what animal is this? Comment down below. Oh no! Can you guess what animal is this? 1, 2, 3. Rhino! Did you guess it was a rhino? Good job! In Arabic, this is وحيد القرن. I am a hippopotamus. In Arabic, I am وحيد القرن. This is the second animal. Let's open them. So I got this now, it's easier to open. Ow! Stop it! You're breaking my butt. Breaking my bones. I'm not touching her skin. Do you guess it? What is it? Elephant! And in Arabic, this is feed. My name is Elephant in Arabic. My name is feed. I don't know what people call me that. Nay. You're not a horse, you're an elephant. Nay. You gotta say "Dra." Okay, let's go on to the second animal. The second animal. What I am, you can't guess me. Of course you can't guess me. Can't guess me. Now let's open him from the back. Let's start from the back. Comment down below if you already got it. If your parents come and watch this, they might like figure this out really quickly. Let's get to the pad. Oh no, they're gonna guess me. No, I don't want to be guessed. No, I just don't want that a people. No, I'm not a tiger. Yes, you are a tiger. We already said you. This is a tiger. And in Arabic, this is Namar. My name is Tiger in English, and in Arabic, my name is Namar. I got you. Stop it, you poop. Open up your clothes. We wanna know who you are. Yes, open up your clothes. We don't wanna know who you are. Yeah, they will read my secret. Now I wanna see your secret. Okay, fine. I'll open my clothes. Okay, now this turn. Yeah, you finally got a big gift. And you cut it. And you cut it with this. No, what do people make me? Because you're not going to even get to do anything. Can you guess this? Fine, I'm just going to use my hands. I have to open. seconds. And guess this animal. I'm opening the bottom. You guessed this was a giraffe. You're correct. This is a giraffe. In Arabic, this is zarafe. What was I? My name is giraffe in English, and in Arabic my name is zarafa. Yeah, stay there. Now your turn. Guess this animal. Wait, they're gonna tell you something. Reveal a secret. Yeah, reveal a secret. Reveal a secret, brother. Reveal a secret. Fine, I'll reveal my secret. I'm an evil bad guy. I don't want to reveal my secret, but I'm gonna reveal my secret. Can you guess what this animal? This is the king of the animals.
Oh no!
Can you guess what it is? It's gotta be hard. Open it. I'm gonna just open the back from my hands. And then your turn, because you didn't get a turn. Whoa. 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 What is this? His back is getting off. Where are you? I'm the king. I'm the lion. I'm not from the show Lion King though. I'm not I am from the show Lion King. Okay. This is called a lion. Lion. This is in Arabic. Asad. My name is Lion in English, and in Arabic my name is Asad. Right next to you. Bye guys! How many animals did you guess? Comment down below. And the playtime is over, so I'm gonna go read a book. Bye!